Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import leads into Pipedrive. It's a simple process that keeps your pipeline organized. So let's dive in. The first step is to prepare your file. Create a CSV file with columns like names, email, and phone, and save it on your computer. As you can see, I already have it right here. It has all these informations. Now for the second step is to import the leads. Now, log into your Pipedrive by going to pipedrive.com. After you log in, you click on the website, enter your account credentials, and you should be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to the leads inbox in Pipedrive and click on import leads. Let's look for the leads. Let's look for it. It's this one right here. Now we're gonna wait for here and click import from spreadsheet and drag the file you want here. Let's see, we have a continue, cancel import. Let's cancel this import. Now we're gonna go back to the leads and import from, click on this one and drag the file you want to upload you're using for the leads model. See here, and the upload will begin. And make sure to map the files fields to the lead properties in Pipedrive. Now it must be an error because it's an error in the information field within the Excel file. But if you export from a website, export the leads, it should work fine. Now for the third step is to complete the import. After importing the CSV file, review the data and confirm the import and check your lead inbox. And that's it. Your leads are now imported into Pipedrive. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.